What's up, guys? So if you guys remember one of my videos, first time taking out my XMaxx, I had put it in the self-upright mode, and that tire popped. And as you can see, we broke the spur gear. So what I ended up doing, made sure I registered the truck online, and then I emailed support. I explained to them, it's my first time taking out my XMaxx. Put it in the self-upright mode, and the tire blew up, and it broke a spur gear. And I keep hearing everybody talking about Traxxas has poor customer service, this and that. So going back and forth on the emails with support, and they explained to me, this isn't a part that's under warranty. It could have popped if your tire hit the sidewall, but as a courtesy, we're gonna send you a new tire, which they did. Brand new pair, not just one. And as far as the spur gear, they sent me the new ones that come with the Ultimate. So I don't know why everybody's on the internet crying about Traxxas has poor customer service, this and that. Maybe you guys call them with the attitude. Maybe you guys call them with the little entitlement. But the way I did it was I made sure my truck was registered on the website, and I emailed support. I sent my name, my address, my phone number, serial number to the truck, an explanation of what happened, pictures of my receipt with the broken parts, and not even a week later, they sent me the parts that I needed. They didn't have to do this. It's not a part that they warranty. They did this as a courtesy. So I don't know who's crying about customer service, this and that. They got poor customer service. That's not true. You guys are calling up there with attitudes and entitlement, and that's why they're not trying to deal with you guys. You guys got to be positive and respectful, and you guys will get stuff done that way. All right.